If you have pets, you've probably already heard of Chewy. They offer products and services from approximately 3,200 partner brands, along with their own private label offerings. Through their online platforms, they provide customers with about 130,000 product options. With fulfillment centers in the US and Canada, Chewy can serve over 80% of the US population overnight and almost 100% within 2 days. The pet industry is made up of categories like pet food, treats, supplies, medications, other pet health products, and services. The trend of pet humanization leads to higher spending on higher quality goods and services for pets. As 93% of US pet owners consider their pets part of their family, 85% believe pets are central to home life, and 73% see themselves as pet parents, leading the company to gladly point out research that shows 74% of pet parents are willing to pay more for pet foods with extra health benefits. Packaged Facts projected an expected compounded annual growth rate, CAGR, in the U.S. pet market of approximately 4% from 2024 through 2028. Pet spending has proven resilient during economic downturns, with the industry experiencing an increase in demand due to the COVID-19 pandemic, despite the overall economic impact. This trend is attributed to the humanization of pets and increased attention to pet health and wellness. The pet industry is experiencing a shift from in-store to online purchases, with internet shopping continuing to grow due to the convenience and safety of home delivery and subscription-based purchasing, which has become increasingly popular among pet owners, with 54% using auto-ship and subscription programs for pet-related products within the last year. Chewy and many of its customers would agree its strengths lie in its commitment to exceptional customer service, which is at the core of their brand. They prioritize customer centricity by making the shopping experience easy and enjoyable, offering competitive prices, customizable and convenient automatic reordering, fast order delivery, and innovative technology-driven services. Their customer service representatives are knowledgeable and passionate about pets, receiving extensive training to provide highly specialized advice and personalized experiences for each customer. This results in higher retention rates and a high-quality customer experience. Chewy offers a wide assortment of pet products and services across health and retail categories, carrying approximately 3,200 carefully selected brands and around 130,000 product and service offerings. They regularly add new products to their selection in order to offer everything pet parents may need for their pets. Chewy also provides free educational content such as blogs, videos, and tutorials on their website, bechewy.com and petmd.com to enhance the customer experience. Additionally, they offer a range of health-related products and services, operate the #1 pet pharmacy in America, and have launched various initiatives like medication compounding capabilities, telehealth service called Connect with a Vet, CarePlus product suite of insurance and wellness plans, and veterinary clinics under the brand name Chewy Vet Care. Chewy's distribution network is highly efficient and effective, allowing them to provide exceptional delivery with ongoing cost advantages and superior customer service. Their strategically placed fulfillment centers enable them to efficiently ship to over 80% of the U.S. population overnight and almost 100% in 2 days. High sales volume, a high participation rate in their auto-ship subscription program, and low seasonality allow them to optimize asset utilization and lower costs. They also invest in automation and artificial intelligence for efficiency across their distribution network. Chewy deploys capital efficiently by investing cash flow generated from their existing customer base to attract new customers and scale platforms. They plan to continue investing in technology, product innovation, marketing efforts, supply chain, and expanding health products and services offerings following the launch of Chewy Vet Care clinics in 2024. Chewy's scalable technology platform helps them increase sales volume and active customers, while reducing transaction and operational costs. The company has improved order picking and packing processes through better forecasting, inventory placement, and labor planning. As they continue to grow, they aim to scale their fixed costs further. Examples of their scalable technology include Practice Hub for veterinarians and sponsored ads for vendor partners. Chewy's strategy involves growing sales from their existing customer base by broadening product offerings and improving customer engagement. They aim to retain customers through exceptional service and WOW programs. In addition, they plan to acquire new customers by increasing brand awareness and investing in advertising and marketing efforts across various channels. In order to improve their margins, they're investing in technology, automation, and product innovation while growing net sales. They aim to continue scaling their platform, customer support, marketing efforts, and supply chain. The company states it's committed to disciplined capital usage for improved profitability. Additionally, Chewy intends to grow its private brands like Frisco, American Journey, Tylee's, and the recently launched Vibeful by offering compelling quality and pricing to customers in various pet product categories. Chewy has expanded into pet healthcare, providing customers with a wide range of over-the-counter and veterinarian diet offerings through Chewy Pharmacy products. They have launched Connect with a Vet, a telehealth service allowing pet owners to connect directly with licensed veterinarians for pet care. Additionally, they offer compounding medications tailored to pets' unique needs and operate the #1 pet pharmacy in America. In 2021, Chewy launched Practice Hub, an e-commerce solution for veterinarians that integrates with their existing management software, managing pre-approved prescriptions, and earning revenue through Chewy's inventory, fulfillment, shipping, and customer service. By February 2, 2025, they had approximately 17,000 veterinary practices enrolled in the platform. In 2022, Chewy launched and expanded its Care Plus product suite of insurance and wellness plans and completed the acquisition of Petabyte Technology Inc., a provider of veterinary cloud-based technology solutions. Lastly, Chewy opened 8 veterinary clinics under the brand name Chewy Vet Care in 2024. There are also plans to expand into new markets such as Canada, where they launched Chewy Canada in 2023. They aim to provide Canadian pet parents with the same convenient delivery experience, broad assortment, and high-quality service that their U.S. customers enjoy. They've also been exploring broader platform opportunities within the pet industry and believe their platform could extend to selling directly to businesses along with consumers. When looking at the pet products and services industry in the U.S. and Canada, it's clear why heavy emphasis has been placed on website and mobile applications, offering competitive prices, a wide selection of products, fast and reliable delivery options, and 24/7 customer service. This is because channels such as internet retailers, brick-and-mortar stores, and veterinary channels are all competing for market share. Key competitive factors include price, product availability, speedy delivery, and excellent customer service. Despite strong competition, Chewy believes their seamless shopping experience, quick deliveries, and knowledgeable customer service differentiate them from competitors. Though it's still important to be aware of challenges that may affect Chewy's future growth, including factors such as potential decline in net sales growth and changes in pet ownership trends. For more on Chewy and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.